Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA pulled really down into that lower support region I highlighted in the last video, which makes this idea that we could still rally higher less reliable. But in the end, what we discussed in the previous video basically worked out that we got one more low, and I highlighted to you that I wouldn't be surprised if it pulls back to the 88.7 FIB level, 35.3 cents. Now, that, however, is not necessarily a good thing, because it means that this entire setup to the upside will get less reliable. Okay, so typically, yeah, I would say it's sort of around 85% of coins do fail. Yeah, their 1-2 setups or A-B setups fail if they break below the 78.6 FIB level and sustain there, as ADA seems to be doing. Now, what can still happen, sometimes they still do a bit of a rally and then break down, yeah, but wouldn't play out the actual pattern in a sense that they would make a new high. So just be aware of that. You can still get a rally and reaction from here, but it might not play out actually as a C wave or a wave 3. It might actually already be whatever, just sort of to give an example here, maybe a 1, 2, 3, maybe you get a wave 4 and then a wave 5 down. Yeah, so this is still the support area that needs to hold. Highlighted to you in the previous video, another low would be likely, yeah, especially as we moved in a triangle pattern, which now happened. Is it likely that this low is now in? Well, I mean, we can count a corrective pattern now complete. We can count the wave W complete, we can count the wave X complete and the wave Y to the downside. We can count here an ABC complete, and the question is just, is it not going to reverse, right? And what did in terms of, did we reach any kind of targets here for this fifth wave? Well, we reached the 38.2 extension. That's a perfect target actually for a fifth wave here of this degree. So that's fine. That overlapped with the 88.7 FIB level, but so far no strong reversal signal. Yeah, we've seen a reaction, but it now needs to deliver on that and break above the wave 4 high, which was here around 36.6 cents. Did highlight to you as well that we had strong support down here. So first of all, I mean the 88.7 FIB level, plus here this strong support level. I think this is quite a strong one. We had a previous support here, previous support, and this is also looking bigger picture. We've got the 38.2 FIB level on there as well. If I'm adding here the FIB level 38.2, which is quite relevant here as well, yeah. So even if we break below the 88.7 FIB level, we wouldn't fall deep. But the point I try to make here, it's intentionally in orange because it's a higher risk setup. It is in orange because there was quite a decent chance to drop lower in the last video, but obviously, because it could be a B wave which is coming down here, there is a decent chance that we can still rally, because a B wave can retrace that much. Yeah, it's unfortunately the case. It's what it is. But yeah, still we are now in an area deep into support, and there is a decent reward to risk ratio here. Target wise, if this is now going to play out as a C wave, then we should reach from here. I mean, let's measure wave A against wave C lengthwise. We talk round about the 42 cent level. Now, reward to risk wise, and that's eventually what it's about. Reward to risk. Oh, where is it? Here, long trade. Obviously, you could enter here. Now, I'm not telling you to do it. This is, depends on you. I can only tell you where prices turn around with high probability. This is a turning point. It's not the most reliable setup though. That's the point of the orange color. If you set a stop even below that green support area there, you still have a possible reward to risk ratio of 7, which is pretty decent, yeah. That's how it can work out. If coins that pulled deeply into support, but get out when it breaks. So, but yeah, at the moment, what I can summarize for you, we made another low. It's so far holding support, but the trend hasn't changed yet because we haven't made a new high and we haven't made a new higher low. but we are hovering above key support, and we've pulled back into this support area. So we're sort of at the moment really deep into support, and it's a support area that we bounced off a few times, and yeah, from here there's a decent chance it turns around, but for now the trend is down, and I haven't seen any reliable signal that it has turned. But to turn around, this is the ideal point. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.